Hello Earthlings and other space creatures, and welcome to what has become the biannual upload of a YouTube video, courtesy of me, your boy. You're welcome. This chair is my first victim of the year. I started it back in 2019, back in the good old days before the world went to shit. And yeah, so that's what you're seeing here. It started out as a rundown little white chair, and then I had plans to turn it into this galactic space odyssey chair, but you'll see in a minute that didn't really happen for me. So that's the tea on that. But if we've learnt anything this year, I guess it's just that making plans is pointless, so why bother making plans? Question mark. Making plans? Question mark. Ooh, so in a completely different topic of dimensions and conversations, I noticed that there is 2,000 of you now, which is pretty unbelievable, meaning I don't believe it. I think maybe there's a large percentage of bots subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below, let me know you're real, because when I record voiceovers it sometimes feels like I'm just screaming into the void. So I guess what I'm saying is thank you for being in the void that I scream into at least twice a year. So in chair world, as you can see, there was much gold, much white, much black, and I was trying to use the natural shape of the chair to dictate where I would be putting said colours, which was pretty useful because I wasn't really sure what the hell I was wanting from the chair once I'd actually got this far with it. So this is what kind of happened. This galaxy absolute monstrosity, followed by then weeks of procrastinating where I did nothing before I painted it back to black. And then I went at it with a fresh pair of eyes and did these little gold designs on it, which I much preferred, and I think they fit with the rest of the chair a lot better. And one of the upsides of that is that now when I look at it, I don't want to set it on fire, which was a big problem during its galaxy phase, because I absolutely hated it, and I'm glad it's over. But yeah, this is the top part of the chair, and I did a similar but different design, which my friend pointed out to me looks like the O from Opeth, but that's fine. I'd rather be channeling the prog than the nightmare galaxy that it was before. So that's pretty much all I have to say on this little chair. So thank you for watching. I hope that you're staying safe in this weird time we're living in, and see you soon. Bye.